Environet by Geist. The keys to powerful data center infrastructure management. Real-time monitoring. Only Environet alerts urgent situations the second they occur. Environet brings the activity of a single facility or an enterprise of data centers into a single graphical view. Alarm notifications are clearly listed in a table format on the homepage for immediate visibility of alarm conditions. Or, with a simple click, you can drill down to the exact data center location to assess the details of the problem. In this instance, Environet detected a leak on the 3rd floor of a data center in Colorado. In a fraction of a second, you're able to visually identify the location of the leak within inches. Technicians can be deployed instantly to protect critical data center equipment from being damaged. In addition to leaks, Environet monitors power usage down to the individual rack level, allowing you to examine how density is distributed across a room. Temperature, to identify hotspots or potential overcooling. Cameras and door sensors provide visuals and notifications of foot traffic in the data center. Wall-to-wall and around the globe, Environet monitors all your critical data center needs in real time. Capacity planning. Manage space constraints and facility limitations with detailed room-level views and easy-to-use simulation tools. From Environet's global homepage, you can easily locate capacity issues throughout your data center enterprise with just a few steps. At the site-level view, you can access critical information from the data center room floor, as well as electrical and utility assets required by the facility. The data center floor plan view displays total real-time power usage at the rack level with color indicators to draw attention to cabinets with highest power consumption. In addition to power data, you can also toggle between actual capacities for heat and available RU. Granular details from high-density racks are revealed with a single click. Using this information, you can evaluate the layout of each rack and row and simulate rack adjustments within Environet before physically making the changes, saving time and reducing the chances of overloading a cabinet. You can quickly jump from the power capacity view to the temperature capacity page to see any hotspots and evaluate the room's cooling capacity. Along with power and cooling, Environet provides available RU to indicate space availability in each rack. Environet also offers perspective into the electrical room to access critical facility-level equipment like UPSs and crack units. For example, you can assess a particular UPS in Environet's energy power capacity view. Battery capacity and output load are displayed with easy-to-read gauges to ensure the power being delivered meets the demand of your data center. Each data center is faced with its own unique growth and expansion challenges. Whether it's power, cooling, or physical space issues, Environet helps visualize and calculate the requirements for expanding your data center using the capacity planning worksheet. Users can see each device within the power chain and view capacities in percent load, watts, or amps. Configure unique what-if scenarios by simulating equipment additions and forecasting new values against actual live values to determine how changes affect your power chain up to the utility level. Environet's capacity planning capabilities start at the device level, work to a side-by-side equipment summary, then to a room overview level, and eventually all the way to the full power one-line capacities. Environet's automated control delivers facility efficiencies by intelligently managing building infrastructure. Overcooling a data center costs thousands in unnecessary electrical bills every year, while undercooling leads to catastrophic damage to critical servers. Environet addresses the cooling management challenge head-on by measuring temperatures throughout the data center and coordinating crack units to run accordingly. This intelligent approach to airflow management keeps server rooms at the ideal temperature to protect equipment and minimize utility costs. Environet assigns each crack a cooling zone where maximum and minimum temperature levels are set to ensure the proper climate is maintained. Crack usage may also be programmed to rotate systematically, distributing the workload across all cooling assets with the sequence configurator. This process avoids overburdening any single crack unit or allowing a unit to remain dormant for an extended period of time. When fully engaged, Environet's automated control has saved data center managers as much as 30% in electricity. Many users have chosen to combine automated control with our OpenGate intelligent containment solution for maximum data center efficiency. The OpenGate system contains the cabinet exhaust and delivers the heat directly to the crack unit through an active chimney system. With a complex network of sensors, Environet calculates the real-time cooling demands of each cabinet row. The data collected from the sensors prompts the cracks to operate in conjunction with the OpenGate intelligent containment fans to provide the air required, creating one of the most efficient cooling programs available on the market today. Coupled with OpenGate intelligent containment or used independently, Environet's automated control gives you the tools to manage your data center environment while reducing unnecessary utility costs. Asset management. Track a data center enterprise's servers and critical devices in a central database and simulate equipment moves and adjustments in just seconds. Managing the inventory of servers in a single data center, let alone an entire enterprise, presents a difficult task for any IT department. Environet solves this issue with its new asset management tools. Access the Asset Manager from the top-line menu to reveal a comprehensive list of all servers and their location in your data center. Each listing includes important background data that can be imported from an external data file or added within the Environet interface. A hot link in the table shows the rack location of the server within the data center. The rack detail view shows the inventory of servers in a specific rack, along with the power consumption calculations, cooling levels, and available RU. Assign assets by dragging available servers from the list of assets to the cabinet layout. As new servers are installed, Environet recalculates the impact to the power, cooling, and space. In this instance, the added server caused the power capacity to be reduced and increased the expected temperature by several degrees. This feedback ensures racks as well as rows are configured within the range of a facility's cooling and power capacity. Environet's asset management tools simplify the arduous task of tracing server details and managing vital facility resources to ensure data centers operate efficiently. Environet by Geist, the keys to powerful DCIM.